I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your Flipkart account is active and your phone or email is verified. Open the Flipkart app and go straight to the Early Access section or the product page labeled Early Access. This saves time. Once there, check membership or app version requirements and enable any prompt or notification that grants access. If a promo code field appears, note it. These first steps position you to join the access queue immediately and prevent avoidable errors later. Now you move into execution. Tap the Get Early Access or Reserve button to join the queue. Do this promptly because slots fill fast. Once reserved, add the product to your cart and confirm the limited time price and stock indicator. Next, choose your delivery address and preferred payment method. If Flipkart requires OTP or card verification, complete it immediately. Make sure promo codes are applied before checkout. These middle steps secure the item and lock in the offer, while you maintain control over payment and delivery. Finish by completing payment and confirming your order ID. Record the estimated delivery timeline shown in the app. Once ordered, use the track option to monitor status and delivery milestones. If a payment fails or stock changes, open Flipkart chat support immediately and provide the order ID for faster resolution. If early access won't grant, retry quickly. Clear the app cache, update the app, or switch to the web version. These fixes often resolve session or eligibility glitches and get you back into the queue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.